In every land, there comes a time when silence becomes heavier than words. A time when injustice tests not just one man, but the soul of a people. Since 2021, a son of the soil has remained in detention, not for war, but for words. And while others rise to speak, those who should stand closest seem to grow quieter. But justice is not the property of one tribe, or the echo of one tongue. Justice belongs to all who still carry truth in their hearts. For when the voice of one man is silenced unjustly, the dignity of all men trembles. He who holds another down, also holds himself down. When we look away from injustice, it grows roots. When we keep silent for fear or comfort, history will one day remind us that we too were witnesses. Let no one fight with hate, fight with conscience. Let no one protest with anger, protest with truth. Because truth, though delayed, never dies. Injustice anywhere is still injustice everywhere. And a people's strength is not in their number, but in their unity for what is right.
Welcome. We are together. This way.